Just when I think I've seen all of the best organizing ideas from the Dollar Tree, I take a meander and I am surprised once again. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some all new amazing organizing hacks from the Dollar Tree, as well as products to check out to help you get a little bit more organized for only $1.25. Alright, we're starting with this square-shaped wire net. Now, Dollar Tree came out with pegboards like a year ago or so, and I picked them up and I didn't personally love them, and so that's why I never really shared them in a video, but I love these wire hangers. I actually picked them up with a set of the hangers as well as the connectors, so it makes it really easy. They kind of sell like the whole set, everything you would need. Hanging blocks actually comes with these little nails. You nail them in to attach them to the wall, and then you can clip on your wire net to that. And then you can use the connecting pieces to connect as many as you want. I actually bought 4 because originally I was gonna do like a big, large square, but I ended up doing more of a long vertical piece in my office space. This was so easy to hang up. I love how customizable it is, and it's just a great place to hang up calendars, to hang up notes, to-do lists. I could see using it for hanging up photos, memos, in a kitchen, in a locker, in a dorm room. There's just so many uses for these, and it's so affordable. What would you even call this? Because I want to search it, because I guarantee if I look somewhere like Amazon, this is gonna be like 5 times more expensive. Okay, here it is. They're selling this set of 4 for $20. I can get a set of 4 for $5. I'm not gonna do math, but that's like a quarter of the price. And in mine, I actually ended up adding a little piece of adhesive corkboard along the bottom. I got these.
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
Oh my God. My watch is talking to me. I swear to God, I thought somebody was in here with me, and it's only me. Oh my God, it almost just sent me into labor. Whew, I need a minute. Take a sip of my decaffeinated coffee to calm down.
I didn't understand that. I didn't understand that.
Oh my God. I don't remember what I was saying. I'm so distracted. I got this piece of adhesive. It's sort of like a cork board, like a bulletin board piece. The one I got is more of like a felt. I got this from Amazon, and I used this to just put underneath. And then I found all of these beautiful push pins at the Dollar Tree. Like, we were talking about beautiful velvet push pins, pearl push pins. Where were these when I had my office job? Because these would have made my office space so much cuter on a budget. Sometimes I laugh about things that I do that it's just like for aesthetics, you know what I mean? Because I'm like, a push pin's a push pin, Callie. Like, it's all gonna push pin paper in. But I'm sorry if you're somebody like me, and let me know in the comments, like, I am impacted by my surroundings. And if I can do something for $1.25 that's just going to make my surroundings feel a little more pretty and like cohesive or whatever, I think that that's well worth it. I got one of the acrylic 3-compartment organizers from the Dollar Tree. I love all of the clear acrylic stuff that they carry. It is super reminiscent of home edit stuff, of stuff you're going to get even from like the Walmart organizing line that is going to cost you more than $1.25. And this is perfect to use for like bathroom drawers and stuff, but great for office drawers. The 3 compartments make it really easy to organize different like smaller items. I'm using them to organize all of the little push pins. I also got these like adorable little copper paper clips from the Dollar Tree, which I think are so cute. And I'm actually using this to reorganize one of the drawers in my new office. I haven't like organized anything in here yet. And I got it along with some of these, the plastic drawer organizers from the Dollar Tree. These ones with like the rubber bottom are my favorite drawer organizers from the Dollar Tree. I have used them multiple times. They've shown up in multiple videos because I really just think that they are that good. If you're looking for something on a budget, drawer organizers can get kind of pricey, and sometimes it's worth it to spend a little bit more if you need specific sizes for a specific drawer. But if you are looking for just like some good generic drawer organizers, these Dollar Tree ones are where it is at. Next, when I was meandering in the office department, I found a few cute desktop accessories for organizing. The first was this pencil organizer or pen organizer or like whatever. It's sort of just like a basic simple item, but I thought that it was really smart. What I loved about it is I loved the vertical design. Allowed you to store sort of like, you can have pens and pencils and then like markers. You could sort of like sort out your different writing utensils. I can be kind of particular about my writing utensils. Like, sometimes I have certain ones that I want, and I love that you could do it vertically without taking up a lot of space. I found similar ones on Amazon which were anywhere from like $5 to $10. So this thing is a total steal. Side note, if you're particular about your pens like me, these are my favorite from the Dollar Tree. They're dupes for Sharpies. The other thing that I picked up for desktop organization was the cell phone holder, and this for $1.25 is just so simple. It's got a little spot where your phone can sit, and then it's got a hole in the back, so you could even use it for charging. So you could be charging it while it's sitting there and you're like listening to music or listening to a podcast or on a Zoom call or whatever. It folds flat if you want to store it away, and I just think it's a great find for $1.25. Next up, I saw this little cable organizer, and I thought this was such a smart idea. You're able to slide the wire sort of inside of it, so the wire all tucks away. I think it's great if you were somebody who is traveling with wires, you need to throw them into luggage or into your purse. It just keeps it all contained and prevents it from like getting all tangled up with other stuff. Okay, a surprising product you might want to pick up for your desk when you're at the Dollar Tree is the napkin holders. This is like such a random product that's been in the Dollar Tree for years, and I have used it for all sorts of stuff. I've literally never used it for a napkin. Now I'm sort of like, maybe I should just, you know what, maybe I should try it for napkins one time just to give it a chance, because I've used it for like books and paper and letters and whatever. Anyways, I love these to keep on the desk just to sort through like mail and paperwork. I have ones I've created where I like connect two, so you can have like multiple sections if you're sorting through paper that way. And like I said, I've actually connected these together to make shelves for my children's bedroom, which is a great idea as well. It's just one of those products for like $1.25 is a great way to get some of the paper organized in your office. One of my favorite products for organizing from the Dollar Tree that I come back to over and over again is their over-the-door wire hanger. I had one of these hanging on our basement door for literally years. It holds stuff, but what I love, here's my little hack, so you can actually connect multiple of them to create like a longer organizer, a bigger what am I trying to say? To make it bigger and better. Yeah, any words. So you can connect these really easily. What you're gonna do is on one of them, you are going to fold the outer two most hooks and just like fold them flat. You can do this literally with your hands. I mean, if you want to be fancy and get needle nose pliers, you do you. And then on the other one, you are going to fold up the two hooks. And then using the trusty zip ties from the Dollar Tree, another one of my OG favorite items from the Dollar Tree. Like literally every time I'm at the Dollar Tree, I get a package of these zip ties. Every time you see them, you should get them because I find uses for these all of the time. Anyways, I digress. You're gonna need 4 of these and you're just gonna use it to connect the top to the bottom. As long as you pull your 2 zip ties tight, these will hold up for you. And now you've created a double layer hook using 2 of the over door hooks. I like this because I will hang things like bags and coats and jackets on the bottom hooks, and then on the top hooks you can use it for like hats and keys and whatever. Don't need to have any skill DIY from the Dollar Tree to just upgrade these to make them a little more versatile. Moving right along, the Dollar Tree sells the shoe organizers. These are sort of smaller, like they're more squares. I think they have like 8 squares altogether, but for $1.25, like whatever, no big deal. You can buy 2 of them if you really want to, but I love using these. I hung them on the back of the door in my daughter's room using just some command hooks. You could even just use the like Dollar Tree brand hooks that you like, removable hooks. These work great for storing all sorts of stuff. So in a nursery, I could fill it with all, like, you know, extra toiletries, bath stuff, diaper cream, sunscreen, extra hair stuff. You could use it for organizing smaller toys. You could use it in your own bathroom for organizing your toiletries. And another idea is I picked up some of these little chalkboard tabs and added days of the week. My kids go to school Monday through Thursday. So I got 4 clips. I did Monday through Thursday. And then this allowed me to put out outfits for my kids for each day of the week, which if you have young kids, you know mornings are like the most hectic time if you're trying to get your kids out the door. Having outfits like ready to go is a total time saver. It saves me a ton of time. I can just look at what the weather's gonna be for the week and like prep their clothes for the week. So I love this idea. I just think these are a great find and there are so many amazing uses for organizing with them. Coming back around to the acrylic products from the Dollar Tree, these stackable acrylic drawers, I'm sorry, are like perfect dupes for home edit ones. These are like amazing dupes for super similar clear, like stackable makeup type organizers that I have seen for usually upwards of $15 to $20. What I love about these is you can really pick and choose how you want to do it, whether you want to just like stack 4 straight up, you could stack 2 next to each other, you could create like multiple columns, perfect size for so many bathroom things. This would also work great in offices to store like some of those little odds and ends, whether it's the push pins or rubber bands, or for literally a fraction of the cost of buying similar ones that are out there online. All right, my friends, that does it. Some amazing Dollar Tree organization stuff that I have found recently that I think is worth it. Like I said, it's been a hot second since I've like really felt inspired by organization stuff at the Dollar Tree, but lately I feel like I've been seeing so much great stuff and I've been like super inspired to create more organizing content from the Dollar Tree. As always, thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Remember to be kind to yourself and others, and I will see you all in my next video.